More than 18% of fuel stations across the United States sell gasoline that barely meets minimum detergent requirements. That means millions of drivers unknowingly pump fuel that slowly contaminates injectors, damages sensors, and shortens engine lifespan. Some of these stations are extremely well-known brands. So, before your next stop at the pump, pay close attention, because by the end, I'll reveal the gas stations mechanics genuinely rely on. Never fill up at these stations again. Number 11. Arco. Many drivers choose Arco because it's cheaper, but the truth behind that low price is rarely discussed. Arco gasoline is not top-tier certified, meaning it lacks the detergent levels required to keep modern engines clean. Vehicles fueled consistently with Arco are more likely to develop clogged injectors, carbon-coated intake valves, and piston deposits. Technicians often report that cars using Arco fuel feel underpowered. Drivers may notice rough idling, hesitation when accelerating, or declining fuel economy. Some mechanics even link lower additive content to early check engine lights, especially in newer vehicles. Another issue is fuel turnover. Many Arco stations are located in lower traffic areas, allowing gasoline to sit in underground tanks longer, where water and sediment can build up. Saving a few cents at the pump may eventually lead to costly injector cleanings or fuel system repairs. Arco may look harmless, but it quietly wears engines down. And the next station on this list may surprise you even more. Number 10. Love's. What many drivers don't realize is that Love's primarily caters to long-haul trucks, not passenger cars. Their gasoline often contains fewer detergents than what modern engines require. That means injectors and intake valves miss out on essential cleaning protection with every fill-up. Mechanics frequently notice rough idling, sluggish throttle response, and reduced mileage in vehicles regularly fueled at Love's. While the gas meets legal requirements, legal minimums are not enough for today's turbocharged engines, hybrids, or direct injection systems. Another concern is fuel stagnation. Since Love's focuses on diesel traffic, gasoline can sit unused for long periods, increasing the risk of water contamination and chemical breakdown. Occasional use may not cause damage, but repeated fill-ups slowly accelerate deposit buildup and performance loss. Number 9. Speedway. With thousands of locations nationwide, Speedway appears dependable. But here's the issue. Speedway is not top-tier certified. Their fuel is sourced from mixed regional suppliers, meaning quality can vary significantly from one location to another. Over time, engines relying on Speedway gasoline frequently develop intake valve deposits, reduced throttle response, and noticeable mileage loss. Independent fuel tests have shown detergent levels lower than what modern engines need. Without proper cleaning agents, carbon deposits harden, airflow is restricted, and performance declines gradually. In 2020, several Speedway locations were caught selling gasoline contaminated with water after heavy rainfall, leaving vehicles sputtering or unable to start. Water contamination can severely damage fuel pumps and internal components. And the next station may shock you even more. Number 8. 7-Eleven. Most drivers assume a brand this large must maintain strict fuel standards. In reality, 7-Eleven does not produce its own fuel. They purchase gasoline from whichever supplier offers the lowest price at the time. This results in inconsistent fuel quality between locations. Engines fueled regularly at 7-Eleven stations often experience rough idling, hesitation, poor fuel economy, and in some cases, knocking under load. State inspections have flagged several locations for excessive ethanol levels and sediment buildup in underground tanks. Since 7-Eleven gasoline is not top-tier certified, detergent levels are often too low to prevent carbon accumulation. The money saved at the pump can quickly be erased by injector cleanings or fuel system repairs. Number 7. Circle K. This brand feels familiar and trustworthy, but the reality is less reassuring. Circle K sources fuel from the cheapest available suppliers, meaning quality fluctuates constantly. One tank may be fine, while the next causes engine issues. Mechanics frequently see sticky injectors, carbon-coated valves, and intermittent misfires in vehicles regularly fueled at Circle K. Borescope inspections often reveal black soot on pistons, a clear sign of weak detergent gasoline. Water contamination incidents have occurred repeatedly, leading to state investigations and stop-sale orders. Even one contaminated tank can corrode pumps, clog injectors, and stall a vehicle unexpectedly. Number 6. Murphy, USA. Located next to many Walmart stores, Murphy USA emphasizes low prices above all else. To maintain those prices, detergent packages are often reduced. Over time, engines fueled at Murphy USA develop rough idle, hesitation, and premature injector wear. Several state fuel tests found detergent levels below what modern engines require, along with fluctuating ethanol content. In 2018, multiple Murphy stations were shut down after water contamination left drivers stranded. Cheap fuel may save money today, but long-term damage often costs far more. Number 5. Valero. While Valero stations look modern and clean, fuel quality varies by location. Valero is not consistently top-tier certified, meaning detergent levels can drop close to legal minimums. Vehicles fueled long-term with Valero gasoline often develop carbon buildup, sluggish acceleration, and reduced efficiency. In lower traffic areas, gasoline may sit longer in storage tanks, increasing the risk of separation and contamination. Over time, repair costs easily outweigh any initial savings. Number 4. BP. Despite its premium image, BP gasoline is not consistently top-tier certified. Fuel tests have shown lower detergent content and inconsistent ethanol levels in some regions. Engines running primarily on BP fuel may develop intake valve deposits, misfires, and rough idle, especially in city-driven vehicles. While a single fill-up won't destroy an engine, repeated use quietly accelerates wear and maintenance costs. Number 3. Citgo. Citgo has one of the highest fuel quality complaint rates in the country. Ethanol levels frequently exceed recommended limits, which can corrode fuel system components and damage seals. Mechanics often report hesitation, hard starts, and rough running in vehicles fueled at Citgo. Sediment buildup in older storage tanks further increases the risk of clogged filters and injector damage. Without top-tier certification, long-term engine cleanliness is not guaranteed. Number 2. Sunoco. Many assume Sunoco offers premium fuel, but quality varies widely between locations. Fluctuating ethanol levels and sediment contamination have been documented in multiple states. Vehicles fueled regularly at Sunoco can experience stalling, hesitation, and accelerated fuel system wear. Without consistent detergent levels, carbon buildup reduces performance and efficiency over time. Number 1. Pilot Flying J. Popular among truckers, this station is poorly suited for passenger cars. Gasoline turnover is low, allowing fuel to sit long enough for water and sediment to accumulate. Tests have shown low detergent content and slightly elevated sulfur levels, which can damage oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. While the company's past rebate scandal didn't involve fuel quality, it highlights a pattern of cost-cutting. For gasoline vehicles, this is one station best avoided. Now, for the good news. Not all stations are harmful. Some consistently protect engines and improve longevity. Number 5. Exxon and Esso. These stations deliver top-tier certified fuel with strong detergent packages. Engines stay cleaner, start smoother, and maintain efficiency longer. Strict quality control and high turnover ensure fresh gasoline and stable ethanol content. Number 4. Shell. Shell uses nitrogen-enriched additives designed to remove and prevent carbon buildup. High turnover and precise ethanol control make Shell fuel reliable in both city and highway driving. Mechanics consistently praise its performance and engine cleanliness. Number 3. Costco. Costco's Kirkland gasoline is top-tier certified and benefits from extremely high fuel turnover. Fresh fuel, strong detergents, and strict testing make it one of the best values for engine health, especially at busy locations. Number 2. Mobil. Mobil's Synergy Fuel formula actively cleans injectors and intake valves. Stable ethanol content and high detergent levels make it ideal for modern turbocharged and direct injection engines. Number 1. Chevron. Chevron consistently ranks as the most trusted brand among mechanics. Its Techron additive aggressively cleans engine deposits while protecting fuel system components. High turnover, strict monitoring, and detergent levels above minimum standards make Chevron the safest long-term choice for engine health. Choosing the right station protects your engine, but it's only part of the equation. Gas stations also use subtle tactics to make you spend more money than you realize. Click below to learn their biggest secrets before they cost you even more. You've seen how simple habits can save thousands. Like the video, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and comment below. Your experience could save someone thousands.